Guys, there's literally nothing worse than when people use your markers and they don't close them all the way. Let's see how many they left open of the 10. One of 10.